Is dropshipping right for you? Let's dive into my experience. Find links to the tools and platforms I mentioned down below. Dropshipping's exploded in popularity because it's low cost and easy to start. In this video, I'll share my dropshipping journey, covering its pros, cons, and who it's best for. With dropshipping, you sell products without keeping stock. Your supplier ships directly to your customer. The biggest perk? Low risk. No upfront inventory means testing various products and niches without major investment. Perfect for validating business ideas or side hustles. Dropshipping is also incredibly versatile. Sell anything from fashion to fitness gear. Platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, and Oblo provide access to thousands of products, easily imported into your store using tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. But there are challenges. Shipping times and quality control, especially with international suppliers, can frustrate customers. Thorough supplier vetting and clear delivery expectations are crucial. Competition is also fierce. To stand out, focus on branding, excellent customer service, and unique products. Despite these hurdles, dropshipping remains a great model for those willing to market effectively and build a loyal following. So, is it right for you? Dropshipping's ideal for entrepreneurs seeking flexibility, scalability, and low startup costs. Check the description for resources to start or grow your dropshipping venture. Hopefully, this helps you decide if dropshipping fits your business goals.